Starting an LLC as an author has several benefits. LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company, is a type of business structure that provides protection for the personal assets of the owners in case of any legal action against the company. This means that if the company is sued, the personal assets of the owners will not be at risk. Here are some other benefits of starting an LLC as an author. 1. Tax benefits. One of the biggest benefits of starting an LLC as an author is the tax benefits. LLCs are not taxed as separate entities, which means that the profits and losses of the company are passed through to the owners and reported on their personal tax returns. This can result in significant tax savings for the owners. 2. Branding. By starting an LLC, authors can create a brand for their work. This allows them to market themselves and their work more effectively. 3. Credibility. Having an LLC can add to an author's credibility. It shows that they are serious about their work and that they have taken the necessary steps to protect themselves and their business. 4. Flexibility. LLCs are flexible in terms of management and ownership. Owners can choose how the company is managed and how profits are distributed. 5. Limited liability. As mentioned earlier, an LLC provides limited liability protection for the personal assets of the owners. This means that if the company is sued or incurs debt, the personal assets of the owners are not at risk. Now that we have looked at the benefits of starting an LLC as an author, let's look at how to start an LLC for authors. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step in starting an LLC is to choose a name for your company. The name should be unique and not already in use by another company in your state. You can check the availability of a name by searching the Secretary of State website in your state. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Every LLC must have a registered agent. This is a person or company that is designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the company. The registered agent must be located in the state where the LLC is registered. Step 3. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the Secretary of State in your state. This document formally creates the LLC and includes information such as the name of the LLC, the registered agent, and the owners of the company. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a document that outlines how the LLC will be managed and how profits will be distributed. This document is not required in all states, but it is a good idea to have one to prevent any misunderstandings between owners. Step 5. Obtain permits and licenses. Depending on the type of work you will be doing, you may need to obtain permits or licenses to operate your business. Check with your local and state government to see what permits and licenses are required. Step 6. Get an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique identifier for your LLC. It is used for tax purposes and is required if you have employees or if you file certain tax forms. Step 7. Open a business bank account. It is important to keep your personal finances separate from your business finances. To do this, you will need to open a separate bank account for your LLC. Starting an LLC as an author can provide many benefits, including tax benefits, branding, and limited liability protection. By following the steps outlined above, you can create an LLC and start your journey as a successful author. Step 8. Obtain business insurance. Even with limited liability protection, it is important to have business insurance to protect your company from unforeseen circumstances. Depending on your business, you may need different types of insurance such as general liability insurance or professional liability insurance. Step 9. Keep proper records. It is important to keep proper records of all business transactions and expenses. This will make tax season much easier and can also help you keep track of how your business is doing financially. Step 10. Comply with ongoing requirements. Once you have started your LLC, there are ongoing requirements you must comply with to keep your business in good standing. These include filing annual reports with the Secretary of State, renewing your business licenses and permits, and keeping up with tax obligations. In conclusion, starting an LLC as an author can provide many benefits, including protection of personal assets, tax benefits, branding, and credibility. By following the steps outlined above, you can start your journey as a successful author while also protecting yourself and your business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Inkfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Inkfile. Inkfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Inkfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Inkfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Inkfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Inkfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Inkfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Inkfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.